another beautiful day in Anandapur. Let's keep looking up and enjoy the music.
That's one of the ways we greet friends here in India. My name is Marissa. Oh, it is beautiful here, yes? Well, I'll tell you how this place came to be. Many eons ago, there lived an enlightened Maharaja and Maharani of Anandapur, whose hearts were one with nature. So much so that the Maharani turned her palace grounds into a magnificent aviary so she could live among the birds. I was inspired by her story every time I visited India. Then one day I decided to make Anandapur my home. Now I follow in her footsteps as a caretaker of these wonderful winged creatures. And now, this is my favorite part of each day, as the birds fly here to join me in a dance to welcome you. Time with the birds and my friends, local bird experts. Oh, and my friend Cleveland. It's for friends like Cleveland that we dedicate our time to making Anandapur a welcoming place for birds from all over the world. It's one of the reasons I love to gather adventurers and wilderness explorers like you here. I'm proud to be a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chiria tribe, More Lodge. Oh, this is a mudra, a hand gesture, for Chiria, which means bird, and More means peacock in the Hindi language. And today we have another senior wilderness explorer visiting our gathering. He asked if he could bring his dog along, and since we are friends to all, I was happy to oblige. Adventurers, please welcome Russell and Doug.
My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell. Tell us about your furry friend.
He's Hadar. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shriek boy. Speak boy.
Hi there.
Oh my, you can talk? Tell us your name, boy.
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Doug. A good wilderness explorer loves all animals.
Just like our motto says.
Exactly. We say,
an explorer is a friend to all, be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
You all know this part. Everyone repeat after us.
The wilderness must be explored.
Now you.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Wonderful dog.
Hey boy, we made it to India. I think we'll get a travel badge for that.
Shabash, that's great. We have almost everyone here except for one of my good friends. Like me, she's one of the caretakers of the birds who have made Anandapur their home. Please welcome my friend Cassie.
Hello, hi everyone, welcome and namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the
bird's natural behaviors to better understand them. And I'm so excited to share what I've learned with all of you. Have any of you ever had a great bird adventure before?
We did.
Yeah?
With our bird friend, Kevin.
Oh, who's Kevin?
She lives near Paradise Falls, a place lost in time. She goes gaga for chocolate.
Oh, wait a minute, you fed a bird chocolate? No. You should never ever feed a bird chocolate.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I bet she must have been a very special bird.
Oh, sure, she's very special. None are like Kevin.
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
Well, Russell, what does Kevin look like?
Oh, I know. Like a bird.
Good boy, Doug. Anything more specific?
Kevin has long legs,
She can run very fast,
colorful.
loud, and big.
It's all fast, colorful, loud, and big. Sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
Yes, and now we're ready for our next bird adventure.
Well, great. I think we all are. Are you all ready to meet some more birds that call this place home? Excellent.
Let me go get my camera for my adventure bug.
Okay.
Come on, Doug.
Hey, look, it's Miles. Russell, Doug, hurry back. Hi, buddy. Well, like Marissa said, this is Miles, our trumpeter hornbill from Africa. These birds are designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and dart in and around trees, catching flying insects right out of the air without losing speed. I know. Would all of you like to see just how Miles flies in the wild? Yeah. Wonderful. Okay, I'll help. We're going to create a forest in the wild right now. So, if you're seated on the end of the row here in our lower central section, stand up and step into the aisle. Next, turn to face the explorer just across the aisle directly across from you. And facing each other, raise your arms like this, like a canopy of trees. Great, we have a forest, Cassie. And hold it. Okay, you guys are going to stay nice and still and just watch how fast Miles is when he flies. Miles, we have a great looking forest here. What do you say, buddy? There he goes! Oh, great job, everybody! That was great! Well done. Let's get explorers on this side to create a forest. So, just like on that side, step into the aisle and raise your arms like this, like a canopy of trees. Great, we have another forest. All right, hold it. Guys, good looking group of trees here. Watch how fast he is. Get ready. All right, Miles, we have another group of trees. We have a wonderful canopy, and here he comes. Great job. Let's give all of our volunteers a hand. You make wonderful trees. Miles, you did great too, buddy. I don't have any insects, but I have one more. Great. You want another tree? Here you go. Whoa. Yes! Cassie, and that's why there are no flying grapes in Africa. They don't stand a chance when ferns like Miles. Miles, you did a great job out here, buddy. Do you know where you're going next? You're going right back into that same window that you came out of. There you go. There's one more grape for the road, and then it's right inside there, just left at the light there. Yeah, you're ready to go. We'll see you later. All the way. And there it goes. That was Miles on trumpeter hornbill. Oh, I love that bird.
Find the birdie. 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 Hold it.
Did we miss the birds?
Oh, not to worry, Russell. We have so many more birds to show you. Yeah, as a matter of fact, you're right on time.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't see anything.
Guys, take a look
Where? I
over
didn't
there.
see anything over the birdie.
What do you see? Oh, there he is. Hi, buddy. See you?
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Yeah, he does. This guy is a brown hornbill from Africa.
My friend here, the small mailman, told me that I am from South America. See, Yosu. Yes, I am.
Well, ground hornbills are amazing birds. They get their name because they spend a lot of their time on the ground, and their beak can be as strong as a sledgehammer, but they can also use it gently like chopsticks.
Let me get my camera.
Oh no, this is the camera. Uh-oh. You guys,
he is
I need some help with Cyrano out here. Cyrano, come on, buddy. I am so sorry, Doug. He's really not angry. It's just a natural behavior for ground hornbills to
Forest camera.
Are you alright, small mailman?
Kevin was fast, but not so wild.
Oh,
well-
yes. Very, very fast.
Well, being fast and smashing food are some of the behaviors that birds learn to survive in the wild.
Right, and I mean, listen, there's also birds that live around people. For example, there are ducks, pigeons, right? Guinea fowl, that's a good one. What else? Songbirds. Oh, chickens. Everybody loves chickens.
I think he wants to play tag.
Tag.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
We'll be
Come
right
back, chicken
back.
birdies.
Come back, boy.
Oh, I think there is more than they can handle. Chickens are fast and pretty smart. There are all kinds of birds with special talents. Others with charm and personalities that make them so lovable.
Like parrots.
They grow on you.
But they are some of the most challenging pets.
They can bite
And scream.
and they poop everywhere.
Oh, very true, very true. Definitely not the best roommates.
Very true, but some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like Groucho. We have to show you this bird.
Thank you so much, Scott. Groucho has lived around people his entire life, so he's learned to show off his personality in some pretty awesome ways. Groucho, do you want to say hello?
I love this funny parrot. Groucho makes me laugh every time.
He is pretty amazing for sure. He's a yellow-meeked Amazon parrot. They're normally found in the forests of Central America. All right, Groucho, I told him you were pretty talented. Do you want to show off what you know? What did he say? Are you ready? That was a great start! That was excellent! You want to try again? Here we go.
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Pretty amazing for sure. And I gotta tell you a little secret, as you might have guessed. Groucho knows the lyrics to 7 different songs from beginning to end. Do you guys want to see if he'll sing another song? Yeah? Okay, all right. Before we do that, though, let's see if Groucho would give everybody out there a great big kiss. Good stuff, Groucho. We agree, buddy. All right, listen, I told him you know 7 songs. Would you be willing to sing one more? What do you say?
Ladies and gentlemen, you're next. Amazon Idol. Oh, everyone say bye to Groucho. Groucho is 1 in a million.
Oh, that's true. You know, some parrots never even learn to talk. And also, parrots can live a long time. Some of them can live to be over 50 years old. Yeah. Oh, hello there. Hi, buddy. Look at that. Poultry in motion. Thank you. I thought it was a foul joke.
Be my friend. Oh, please, please be my friend. Whew. I am back now from tracking chickens.
So were the chickens fast like Kevin?
Kevin's much bigger. She could outrun them.
Oh, well, how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Wingspan. I know that. It's how long it is from tip of wing to tip of wing.
That's right, Russell.
So how big is Kevin's wingspan?
Huge, like this big.
Wow, that is big. But did you know that there are birds with much larger wingspans?
Yeah, it's true. Like the albatross, the largest flighted bird in the world. You know, they say the size of an albatross wingspan would be like me and Marissa standing fingertip to fingertip.
Wow, that's big. But I'm pretty sure Kevin's much bigger.
Come on.
Oh yes, that bird Kevin is much, much bigger.
Oh, like that bird.
A dinosaur!
Scary birdie! Scary birdie!
Oh, hey guys.
Don't wait for me!
She's not scary, she's just big. Oh, don't look by its cover. Oh, maybe I should wait here to see if they come back.
All right, well, this is our Andean condor. We call her Sadie, and Sadie has about a 10-foot wingspan.
I understand they're about this big when they're only a few months old.
It's true, and the condors are the largest of the vultures. Vultures are so beneficial in the wild. You know, they're nature's recyclers. If an animal dies, a vulture will clean up that mess and stop the spread of disease. So we love having these guys around. Sadie, you were fantastic out here, sweetheart. I think it is about time for you to go, though. We'll see you later. And that's Sadie, our Andean condor.
Bye, Sadie. Let us know if you see Doug and Russell.
Oh, man.
Oh, Doug, Russell, glad you're back.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is a friend to all.
That's right. And all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they will show you just how wonderful they are.
Oh, show me the birdie.
Well, one of our favorites around here is the ground crane. Everyone, meet Fraser! Fraser Crane!
This is one of many birds here that help connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Hey, Doug, say hi!
Hi there. I like the birdies.
And they like you, Doug. Crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall gold crowns. Oh, can't you imagine them flying over the plains of Africa?
Let's see if he wants
I like the birdies.
Oh, Doug, I am so glad that you guys like him so much. Hey, do either of you want to feed him? I do. You do, Russell? Okay, I tell you what, I'm gonna bring Fraser over here. I have a bowl and some treats, so if you want to come on over, I'll put some treats right in the bowl for you. Ready? Come on. Ready?
He really goes gaga for birdseed.
Better than chocolate.
My hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
That's very funny, Russell. It does look a lot like hair, but you know those are feathers. As a matter of fact, everything on a bird is feathers. Even their eyelashes are feathers. Well, Fraser, you're a beautiful bird, buddy, and you did a wonderful job. We'll see you later. And that is Fraser Crane. Thank you. Well, coming up next is my favorite bird. Quite possibly my favorite animal. Here she is, the symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Oh, thank you, everyone. Meet her.
A bald birdie?
Oh, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
That's right, Russell. Some say they get their name from an Old English word piebald, which means of different colors, like brown and white.
I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
Oh, and inspiring. You know, not long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. Then, thanks to conservation efforts, all of us played a part in helping the population to recover. And I am happy to say that the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Cool story, right?
Ah, the coolest.
Thank you, Hope. Now, I'd like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, peacock. Ancient mythology from India. A story is told that once the tail feathers of Lord Peach were dull, but in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful iridescent feathers. During molting season, peacocks lose their feathers, but they will come back beautiful and strong. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is a symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. That's why I'm delighted to share this beautiful creature with all of you. I call call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is Peacock Moor in Hindi, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie. A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Well, Russell, did you know that there are literally thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? And you don't even have to go that far to find them. Many can be found right in your own backyard or even your local parks back home. And to get you started on your next adventure, be sure to download the Nature Passport app.
Oh, great idea, Cassie. Just ask any Wilderness Explorers troop leader to find out more. You know, whether it's a cabin bird, or an eagle, an owl, or a peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure.
Hey, Russell, look over here at Thomas Sue. That's a spectacled owl.
Oh, cool, bird. Get a picture of it for me.
Hey, up there, that's a Togo toucan.
Yeah!
I too can run around like birdies.
Now look who's flying like a bird.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I want all.
Like Doug and Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up. You see, Kevin was just the beginning.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh, I love them.
Must be explored. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you all so much for visiting with all of our feathered friends here.
And until we see you again, like birds in flight, let's go. And have a wonderful next